Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys, we again will take a look at the euro currency. In general, markets hasn't shown any significant action yesterday. Maybe only the Swiss franc on the rumors on the possible gold purchasing from the Swiss National Bank. They approximately, if they will get the approval from the national referendum on the purchasing of the gold, that will be for $72.5 billion, and that stands approximately for the 2,000 tons of the gold. That could be really important moment for financial markets, not just for the gold market, but for the forex market as well. And that could force market to knock in the barrier that has estimated on the level of Swiss franc to the euro quote. So you probably know about this 1.20 level is the national barrier, is the barrier of the Swiss National Bank for the in relation to the euro. And on the anticipating of this voting that will take place on the 30th of November, this Swiss franc already has shown some appreciation in the relation to the euro. But in the United States dollar, as you can see, euro currency hasn't shown any significant action. We see this attempt to move high, but markets still stick in the resistance area, and hasn't shown any significant action. Although we have discussed this possible retracement that could be equal to the harmonic swing here. And the invalidation point of this possible retracement stands right here. So until market stands above these lows, some action in an area of the monthly pivot point in an area of the lever bar could take place as a response of this support. That's, as you can see, 127 with this big butterfly and the monthly pivot support one. But at the same time, as we said, it's very difficult to rely on this upside action, because on the 4-hour time frame chart, as we said, market hasn't quite completed this 1618 extension target of this ABCD pattern, and that's why I am always feel a bit uncomfortable to take long position when you have the untouched significant target on your back. That's increased risk of the possible return and hitting of this target first before any retracement up will happen. Right now you can see that market a couple of days ago on Monday has tested the weekly pivot point, failed to hold above it. Now it's returned right back up, but still stuck with this 25.15 fib resistance area. This also probably could be treated as the confluence area, because if you will draw the fib levels from this reaction point to these lows, you will get also the 618 resistance in the same area. So the market still stands struggling against this level. If market will fail here, that could be the reason for appearing of the logical picture. The point is that failure of the market here could lead to appearing of the butterfly buying pattern, and you can see that the 127 extension of this retracement stands precisely in an area of a 1618 objective point of this ABCD pattern, and that seems very logical. That's our preferable development of this situation. So the market will fail here. In this case, market will probably proceed right in an area of the weekly pivot support, one area of the 1618 extensions, approximately 123.15, 123.20 area. When the market will hit this level, after that it will feel free for a possible retracement. If it will happen any retracement, of course, then this will be logical to expect that it should start from this area, but not from that area, because just a few pips lower stands the significant support area. At the same time, I just want to remind you that euro currency in fact stands in the free zone, and it has no significant supports except the monthly pivot support one till our target. Now our target stands at 122 even. This is the contraction objective point COP on the monthly chart. So the 618 extension of the big ABCD pattern on the monthly chart. That's our medium-term target. So if market will fail to hold here, it probably will mean that market directly will continue move right to the target, because no other supports stands between these lows and between 122 area. Well, that's what we will be looking for on the euro currency right now. So guys, I don't know whether to call you to take any long positions, because as you can see, euro currency looks very heavy right now. It's probably better way to act here is to use any rally for the possible taking the short, rather than to make the scalp trades on the possible long positions. But if you still would like to trade euro currency on the long side of the market, control your stops, so tight stops to the break-even as soon as possible. So if market will start to react on this butterfly, for example, by some bounce, move your stop to the break-even if you will decide to take the long position in this area. So let's see what we will get today and return to this question tomorrow.